Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert PDF to HTML in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Firstly open your PDF file. It's my PDF file. Okay. And click tools option. Here you will find this export PDF. Click here export PDF option and select here HTML web page and select. Here you can convert single HTML web page or you can convert multiple HTML web page. I will convert single HTML web page and you can add here heading page and bookmark page. I will add two of this. Now click export. Select your save destination file location, desktop file. Now click save. Our file are now converting. This is our PDF file converted into HTML file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.